everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making seafood with vermicelli noodles clay pot. This recipe is enough for 2 portions. You will need 2 packs of vermicelli noodles. Soak them in hot water for 10 minutes. For the seafood, I've chosen to use fish balls, mussels and prawns. You can also add in other seafood, tofu and vegetables as well. Season the prawns with some salt and pepper. Prepare some ginger, some shallots, lots of garlic and a spring onion. After 10 minutes, loosen the vermicelli noodles and then soak them for a further 3 minutes. Drain the noodles when they're soft and then put them into a clay pot. Add in a dash of soy sauce and mix. Heat up some oil and start stir frying the shallots, ginger and garlic until they're fragrant. Then add in the mussels and fish balls. Add in the prawns and continue to mix. Add in half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, one tablespoon of oyster sauce, pinch of pepper, half a tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of water. Pour everything on top of the vermicelli noodles. Add in the spring onions and let it simmer with the lid on for 10 minutes on low heat. And that's how I make seafood with vermicelli noodles clay pot, perfect with a bowl of rice.